Hello and welcome to the Spellcheck video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn the Spellchecker on and off, but also how you can add your own personalised dictionaries to the Spellchecker. So with that said, let's take a look. Okay, so what I have here is a couple of paragraphs with mistakes in them. Both spelling and slight grammatical mistakes. Now at the moment the Spellchecker is turned off. So to turn on the Spellchecker you would come down to this icon that looks like a dictionary or a book and simply click it. Straight away you can see there's red squiggly lines under misspelt words and the green squiggly lines refer to grammatical errors. Now whilst the word what isn't misspelt, it's wrong because it isn't capitalised. So if I work my way through and I right click, you can see it offers you spelling options, and you can then follow those options by right clicking and making all the changes you want to. Born. This one is a repetitive word, or I've repeated the word twice, which is incorrect. So it will remove the word. Here there should be a comma and my grammar checker is telling me that. That one should be Baxter and it's correct. Now these two, there's another one there which should be uppercase. I'll change that. Now these two words are, this is an alien's name and this is the alien's race. Okay, so now they're coming up as being misspelt because they're made up words. Now, I could either right click on this one and go add to my additional dictionary, which is a dictionary that is there specifically for this purpose. It's a dictionary created by Papyrus Author. That would then make the spelling correct. What you can also do though, is you can create your own dictionary. So for instance, this is the alien's race. So I could, for instance, create a dictionary for the alien's race. And to do that, I right click on the icon, which brings up the preferences for your spell checker. And I'm going to add a new dictionary. So I'm going to go new dictionary and I'm going to call this one aliens. Okay, and I'm going to go save. So now we have three dictionaries, the main English US dictionary, my additional dictionary, and the aliens dictionary. So that when I right click on this one, you can now see there's an additional dictionary called aliens. So I could add the aliens to that specific dictionary. So you can create a dictionary for whatever reason you would like. Now if you see here, there are also spelling mistakes within this dialogue, but it's not picking up these errors. That's because by default, it will not look within your dialogue, or it won't correct within direct speech. So again, I right click on the spell check icon, which brings up the options, and I'm going to tick also check within dialogue. And straight away, you can see that it's brought up that this is misspelt, and if I hover over it, it will give you a few possibilities as well. So I'm going to go to they. This is also lowercase and should be uppercase. Now obviously with the spell check turned on, if I type, it will automatically uppercase things for me, and if you make common spelling mistakes with the spell checker turned on, it will also correct those spellings as you type. Okay, so that was the spell check video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, see you later.